what's up everyone? Today we're going to learn about place value by starting with the tens and starting with the ones. So this is some grade 1 work that you guys can do so you know what you're doing at school. Now it's a little bit difficult to know when you're in the tens and when you're in the ones, but hopefully after today's lesson you won't have any trouble with that. So if that's something that's useful to you, then make sure that you follow the video and I'll give you time to make sure you can do all the questions. So if you're ready to do some math, let's go. Alright, so as you see here, it says what is in the ones place in each number. Now the first number is 24. So you know the ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The tens place is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. These are the tens places. So since you're trying to figure out which number is in the ones place, you're going to look at the number which is on the right, which is the number in the ones. So 24, 4 is in the ones, so we write 4. 61, 1 is in the ones, so we write 1. Now you have to do the next one here, which is 87. So remember, 80 is in the tens, 7 is in the ones. So the answer to which one is in the ones place, so you got it right, you guys. I'm just going to highlight this for you so that you know that we're looking for ones place. Make sure that you read the questions properly. So ones place, it's a 7, you guys. So yes, 7 is correct. And I'm going to move my little bubble down a bit so you can see these last two questions here. So 19. So the 10 here is in the tens, and then the 9 here is in the ones. So I'm going to write 9. Good stuff. Okay, I'm going to go to the next number, which is 65. 65. 60 is in the tens. 5 is in the ones. So what's the answer for that question? I hope you got it right. You should be writing 5. Good. Now 68. 8 is in the units and 60 is in the tens. So I can write units 8. And then here 13. So 13, it doesn't sound like you could know just by listening to it, but you know that anything after 10 is like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all of those numbers have a 10 in the tens, but here this one 13 has a 3 in the ones. You can just look at the number on the right and you'll figure it out. 42, so 40 in the tens, 2 in the ones. Again, I'm trying to look for the ones. So wow, I've done the first bit of homework. Super. Wow, that was fast. I'm super happy. And then for the next question here, it says figure out the number that is in the tens. So maybe I take another highlighter so that you can see. Oh, there you go. Tens place. Okay, so this time I'm looking for the tens place. So 3 and 0, 30. There's 3 tens. 94. There's 9 in the tens. 10. Well, there's 1 10 because it's the number 10, so I can just write 1. 69. How many tens in 69? Well, there's 6 tens. Very good. So we can do these questions a little bit fast if you're getting used to how to do them. 27, 20, so 2 tens. 81, 8, 81. There you go. 18 is in the tens because it's one of those between 10 and 20. And then 50, that's like 5 tens and 0 ones. So I can just write 5 for my tens. Okay, wow, I've done everything super fast, you guys. Okay, so we have a few more questions here. What is in the tens place in each number? So 12 has a 1 in the tens. 9, 90, I could say the number on the left is in my tens, so 9. 43, which one's the number in the tens? 40, so 4. 58, so 5 is in the tens, so I can say 5 here. Maybe I'll move my bubble a little bit because I can't write otherwise. So here I can write 58. Nice. Okay, so this was pretty okay, I think. Circle a number that has a 7 in the tens place. Ooh, okay. So 57, that's got a 5 in the 57 has a 5 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. Now you need to be super careful. What is the question asking you here? Is the question asking you for Let's see, should I take a different highlighter? I'll take a green one for this time. So the 7s needs to be in the tens place. Oh, where's my highlighter? Ooh, there you go, in the tens place. And here for the next question, it'll be in the ones place. So make sure you always keep track of what you're trying to do. So this is a 5 in the tens and a 7 in the ones, but I want a number that has a 7 in the tens, not that one. This is a 7 in the tens and a 9 in the ones. Okay, 7 in the tens, that's what I want. 7 in the tens and a 0 in the ones. Oh, well, 7 in the tens again, that's what I want. Okay, so I did my question. Circle the number. We're nearly finished, you guys, so just a little bit more. Circle a number that has a 3 in the ones place. So in the ones, this time you need to be careful, it's in the ones. So here there's a 3 in the tens and a 4 in the ones. Not that one. A 9 in the tens and a 3 in the ones. Oh, 3 in the ones is what I want. A 3 in the tens and a 0 in the ones. I don't want that. Okay, so let me do the last question down here. This one says a 1 in the tens place. A 1 in the tens place. So here, look. A 1 in the tens, a 0 in the ones. So I do want this one. I don't need 61 because that's a 1 in the ones place. And 21 has a 1 in the ones place as well. And so, therefore, I think I'm done with my homework and I've done everything. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, everybody. And, woof, that was a lot of work for today. But you see, the tens is on the left and the ones is on the right. The tens are your 13, 14, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. The ones are going to be numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you make the difference between those two and you'll know exactly how to do these. So, if this was useful, make sure you follow us. Come and see more mathematics from us on your computer or on your phones or on your iPads so that you can get better at school and that you know what you're doing. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, follow the channel. Really appreciate you being here and getting better at mathematics, you guys. Well done. See you next time.